Hey, Rick Salmon here. I'm in the Lee River. This is an amazing location. I'm teaching a workshop here with my good friend Scott Kelby. You might have heard of him down there from Kelby One. Andy and Mia Beals are our guides. These guys are amazing. It's only the end of day one. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to ask everyone as we go down the line, what's the best thing that you learned so far on day one? And just say your name and then what you learned.
Hi, I'm Andy, and I learned that if you really want to take awesome pictures, get good guides and stand in front of beautiful places.
I'm Dave. I learned how to use the control ring on my camera.
I'm Tom. I learned about slow motion video of the fishermen casting their nets.
Paul learned about exposing for the highlights when shooting fire.
I'm John, and I'm learning that not only can you use your camera, but don't forget your iPhone. You can supplement and get great photos.
I'm Ken. I learned you really need to know your camera.
I'm Barbara. I attended a really great workshop with Scott Kelby this afternoon, and I learned a ton about Lightroom.
Hi, I'm Alec, and I learned that the name of the game is hydrate.
Prati, I learned to shoot in low light today and got pretty good pictures.
Hey, I'm Scott. I learned, this is my first workshop with Rick. I learned that Rick knows everybody, has all the connections, can get you into places that you never dreamed of, and he makes absolutely sure that everybody on his workshop has an amazing experience. I also learned I need to do more workshops with Rick Salmon.
Well, I'm Rick Salmon's twin brother. He's down the other end of the line, and I learned that I'm going to hang out with Rick and with my good friend Scott Kelby.
你们来桂林山水很美，很漂亮，很棒。
Which means?
You come to Guilin, the mountains, the rivers, the waters are beautiful.
Let's give our guys a big hand.